How to change Roblox name tag color. So if you want to change your Roblox name tag color, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your Roblox and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, now you just need to simply go with settings, which is on the upper right, and then again go with settings. Once you're under settings, you need to scroll down all the way down, and here you will have help option. So simply tap on help. Once you go with help, now you'll get this kind of interface where you can simply scroll down again on the bottom and you will have contact us option. Once you go with contact us, you need to scroll down and you need to go with technical issue questions. And under technical issue questions, you need to go with the device that you're using right now. So I'm using Chrome and it will take you to this kind of interface. Once you click on it, now you need to scroll down until you can see where it says need more help, contact support here. You need to click on it and it will take you to the contact us page. So here what you need to do is just enter your username and then you need to enter your first name, which is optional, and you need to enter your email address and then confirm your email address and choose the category or select the category that you're facing the problem with. So simply choose the device at first. Once you've chosen, go with the type of help category, enlarge that, and then you can go with bug report. And under describe or description of the issue, you need to write that I want to change my name tag color on my Roblox account. I want to change to green color or any color that you're comfortable with. I need your help with this changing tag color. So please help me with this. And then after writing that, you need to go with continue. And once you click on continue, then you'll get some help from Roblox on how you can change your name tag color. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.